Guys, have share a file with you on the drive. Run that code.
हेलो।
तुम्हारी बात Can you share your screen, please? The person who's getting error, Sarang.
Yes, sir.
Just share your screen. You're getting error, no? Sorry, Neeraj. Anyone getting error now?
No, sir.
Guys, I will be starting the concept now, okay? And then we'll come back to the code. Already you have written this data, so you don't have to write it, okay? Guys, I'll start the explanation. I'll take some screenshot 1 second. So point number 1, guys, ARIMA is one of the method. Okay, prior we have done, if you remember, exponential smoothing. In exponential smoothing, we have done 3 methods: single exponential, double exponential, and triple exponential. Correct? Guys, when to use single exponential? Anyone?
When pattern is random.
When to use double exponential?
When there is trend.
And when to use triple exponential?
When there is seasonal trend. Seasonal trend.
Perfect. So that, can I say that concept is clear for everyone? Okay. Now guys, coming to the topic called ARIMA. ARIMA is a higher version model of every model of time series. Okay. Now in ARIMA, we have 5 steps involved. One is stationary, difference, ACF, PACF, and order. So if you can see over here, the combination of, just write in the bracket as like D, this is as Q, and this is as P. Guys, write like this way in the bracket. You have already written this yesterday, guys. Just write PDQ. It's a small p. Okay. Now the combination of point number second, point number third, and point number four is when they combine everything, we get point number 5. Agree? It's clear, clear. The combination of PDQ is equal to point number 5. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Now let's see first point, stationary. Now, what is the meaning of stationary, guys, in English? Stationary means what? I just need a definition in English. Dictionary, guys. Stationary means what? Not moving, stable, constant. Right. Okay, let me draw a diagram for you guys. Let me draw two diagrams for you. Let's say as the month increases, okay, the price of the gold also increase. As year increases, can I say the price of the gold also increase?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, can I say here we have upward trend? Point number 1. Second, here I take as here example, and let's say and we're getting as this pattern. Now, if you can see over your example, guys, we have two different diagram A, diagram B. In diagram B and diagram A, what is the difference, guys? Can I say in diagram A, year change, value change? But if you see in diagram B, year changes, but the price is remains constant or in similar in range. Yes or no? Okay. So this is called stationary. So first point is stationary. Stationary can be seen with the help of two different ways. One is a diagram way and another one is a test way. So when we make a plot, we can read it like this way. So B is your correct answer. Till you clear? This is graphical representation. Second scenario. Okay, guys, one second, let me draw one diagram. Guys, one second. Just I'm receiving a call from Utkarsha ma'am. Just give me 1 minute. Second concept over here is first way is to check stationery. First way is to check stationery with the help of diagram, or we call it a graph. Second way with the help of test. Okay. So there is a test called ADF test. Okay. You have already written the H naught. So can I say, guys, every test will have their own hypothesis? Agree? Every test will have their own hypothesis, H naught and H1. Okay. Now, if you look at H naught, it's written as data is non-stationary. Guys, if the p value is less than alpha, what we do? Guys, I'm repeating my question. If the p value is less than alpha, what we do?
Reject null hypothesis.
If we reject as null hypothesis, what is the answer remain? Data become stationary for us. Still clear? Okay. Let's see the first point, guys, how to prove in Python. Okay. Let me move to the Python. 1 second, it's loading for me. I'll go step by step, guys. While teaching you, I'll perform in Python also. And then at overall level, I'll repeat. Okay. So first, I imported the data, which is air passenger. Air passenger is nothing but number of people traveling with air flight. Okay. That data I have taken monthly level. And we have data for 11 years. So you can imagine 11 into 12. That are the number of rows available, which is 144. And we have two columns. Date is a column we converted to index. First, I make the plot. Looking at the plot, guys, can you say my data is stationary or non-stationary?
Not stationary.
Non-stationary. Still clear, everyone? Because the diagram, if you see and compare with the theory, here it's keep on increasing, not constant. Clear? If you are not confident, so sorry. I'll repeat again, guys. Sorry, my mistake. First, I import the data of air passenger, which have 144 rows, monthly data for 11 years. Okay, repeating, monthly data for 11 years. So the January month, 1949, number of people travel. Second month, Feb month of 1949, number of people travel. Okay, that data I just make a plot. Now looking at this, you tell me, do we have stationary or non-stationary? Whether stationary or non-stationary, other students, non-stationary. Second way, if you're not confident with the graphical analysis, we go for ADF test. See, I've written over your ADF test. This code I'll explain you later. You can see the p-value. The p-value is less than alpha or greater than alpha.
Greater than alpha.
Greater than alpha. So what is the solution? What is the conclusion? So what will be the conclusion, guys? If it's the greater than alpha, we say we do not reject H naught. And the answer is data is non-stationary. Clear? Let's clear the concept clear for you. Or should I repeat? Anyone? So point number one, whenever you get a data, first you make a plot and check whether data is stationary or not. Okay. So let me draw a diagram for you. Whenever we receive data, our job is to check whether data is stationary or not. Point number one. If data is stationary, guys, if it is yes, so we are happy. Second scenario, if data is no, means data is non-stationary, then we need to convert it to stationary. So our job is to convert a non-stationary data into stationary format. To convert from non-stationary to stationary, guys, what is the second point? We have written in Arima. Differencing. Okay. Notation for differencing is what? D. Okay. So let me write D for you. Now let's understand what is differencing and how differencing works for us. Okay. Guys, till here the steps clear for everyone? Please confirm step number one. I'll change my screen. Okay. I'll open one data file for you. 1 second. Guys, I just have taken a scenario to explain you, okay? Can you see my screen? Excel file. Okay, I just have taken a dummy data just to explain you how it works for you. Now, first, whenever you receive a data, you make a plot. Which component we have, guys? Which pattern we have over here?
Trend.
Downward trend.
Downward trend. Perfect. Now we'll compute variance of this sales column. How much is the variance value? How much is the variance value? 38,347. Perfect. Now, guys, we have order. We call first order and second order. So the value of Feb minus the value of March. Okay, first, second value minus previous value. If I do the next one, the value of March minus the value of Feb. Clear? How we're doing a calculation, guys? What should be answer for this? Anyone? We just have done Feb minus Jan, March minus Feb. And now which month I have to subtract? Which month subtraction? April minus March.
31.
The way I done for one row, same way can we repeat for all the rows, guys? Yes or no?
Yes.
Now I just computed variance for this column also. How much variance we have now? How much is the variance value, guys? 444. Perfect. This is called first order. Means Feb minus Jan, March minus your Feb. One value. Okay. Now next one. There is second order. Second order means second value of first order minus first order first value. Clear?
Sir, can you repeat again?
Second value of first order minus first value. Means 2 minus 20. Two minus 20. What should I do for the next one? Minus 31 minus 2. Clear? How we are doing it? Anybody want me to repeat, guys? I'll repeat for you. Don't worry. I'll repeat for 2 or 3 times also. It's a very easy concept, guys. For first order, what we have to do, guys? How the calculation works? Anyone? Guys, for the first order, what is the formula? I'm asking you. Y2 minus Y1. Perfect. And for second order? And for second order, what is the calculations? 2 minus 20. Perfect, Neeraj. So guys, we have the variance of first order also, second order also, and oral also. Now, when we have the original data, our variance is 38,000. When we have first order, our variance is 444. When we have second order, our variance is 475. Okay. Where we have the smallest variance. Compare first versus second. So the first order value is 1. So we found that from this one, we need to select the smallest, or we can say Select the lowest variance. Till you're clear, guys? And according to us, we found the lowest variance value is 1. So what is the value of D now? So D will be taken as 1. Till you're clear? So when we apply first order, second order, we select the lowest variance and that becomes your D value. Now guys, what happened? For further analysis, okay, to check data stationary or not, now we will be using this first order data. On this data, okay, we will be again cross-check and confirmed, okay, whether our data is stationary or not. Again, we'll apply ADF test. Clear? After differencing, we again confirm whether our data is stationary or not. Any question in point number 1 and point number 2, please ask. Guys, any question, yes or no? Okay. To find D1, guys, what I have done. Okay. I'm repeating, to find D1 value, basically I have selected which have the smallest variance. Which have the smallest one? Aarti, which is smallest?
1.
1. So D value will become as 1, which is first order. Example, if I change the value over here, okay. Example, I'm just writing, okay. Let's say this value is coming to be 240. Who has the smallest variance?
240.
240. What is its second order? Correct? So
Yes.
D value will become 2.
Okay, sir.
There is D concept clear how the D is selected. First order is D1, second order is D2. Guys, I have to further move, okay. Guys, I've shared a questionnaire with you. Just click on yes or no. It will be help me to cross check whether you're active or not. Remaining 10 students. Remaining students 5. 4 students are remaining.
Sir?
Yes, please.
सर डिफरेंस के लिए फर्स्ट और सेकंड ही क्यों लेते हैं? 3 और 4 भी ले सकते हैं ना, मतलब 1 2 3 4 भी ले सकते हैं.
You can go for 3 and 4 also. The person who invented this concept, he suggested you will be getting your answer in 1 and 2. If you are not getting, then you can go for 3 and 4.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any other question, please? Shall I move to the next one? Okay. Now, guys, I'll prove this in software for you. Okay, just a track. Okay. Point number 1, guys. First, we make a plot, and we found that data is non-stationary. We confirm with ADF test. Clear? Next, again, we do differencing. Okay, first order and second order. See, period 2, period 1, D1, D2. Okay. After doing a differencing, okay, you can cross check now p-value. How much is the p-value? Less than or equal to alpha?
Sir, screen share नहीं किया.
I'm sharing. It's loading for you actually.
Greater than.
Point number 1, first we make a plot. We found it is non-stationary. We confirm with the ADF test. Yes, it is non-stationary. Okay. Then we do differencing. Guys, I'm not explaining the code. Right now, I'm explaining concept. Difference 1, difference 2. Okay. Which have the smallest variance, guys? D1 or D2?
D1.
What should be
D1.
the value of D now? What should be the value of D? 1.
1.
Perfect, Mahesh. Now, using this data, again, check for stationary. Looking at the p-value, what is the conclusion?
Greater than alpha.
Guys, look at the p-value. Can I say p-value is less than or equal to alpha? The rule is p-value less than or equal to alpha value. 0.05 equal now. If you round up this number, what is the answer? Saurabh and Gaurav, if you round off, it's become 0.05 equal. If it is equal also, we need to reject it. So we need to reject and say data is stationary. Next, two more concept, guys. Very simple, very easy. Okay. After this,
Sir, can you please repeat, sir? My connection is unstable.
I am saying a p-value is how much? How much is the p-value?
0.05.
How much we take alpha value? Can I say they are equal now, at least?
0.05.
So what we do? So we reject H naught. So if you are rejecting H naught, okay,
Yes, sir.
this remain. Data becomes stationary. Now clear? Saurabh, clear for you? Okay. Data stationary. Now, guys, there is a, what is the third point? Guys, what is the third point you have written now? See in ARIMA, third point.
Autocorrelation function.
Autocorrelation. What is the notation for autocorrelation?
Q.
Q. Guys, what is the meaning of correlation? Anyone can explain? Guys, what is the meaning of correlation?
Relation between two variables.
So there is a relation between two variables. Which two
Yes.
variables?
X and Y.
X and Y. What is the data type required over there? Numbers?
Numbers.
Numbers.
So can I say that correlation means relation between two different columns? Between column wise, can I say? Now same way guys, autocorrelation means relation between rows. I'm repeating, autocorrelation means relation between rows. Okay. What is the range of correlation? What is the range of correlation? Anyone? Guys, if you speak, it will be better for me.
-1 to 1.
-1 to 1.
Can I say in time series, there is row dependency? Rows are dependent.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if I say that as month increases, the price of the mobile phone decreases.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can I say that we have a decreasing trend like this way?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Guys, 5-10 minutes more over here. Okay. Then concept will be done. Okay. So we say April value depends on March value. Correct? How many months backward I'm moving, guys?
1
1.
month.
So we call lag 1. Okay. Example, I'm writing 0.90. Okay. This number is example. Now, next. April value have any relation with Feb or not? How many months backward I'm moving now?
2.
2.
So the lag will be 2. But the point how this lag 1, lag 2 comes. But here guys, what happened? Interaction month will also be contributed. So I'm writing 0.75. If I want to check the relation of April with Jan, how many months backward I'm moving?
3.
So guys, what is the lag value? So it will be lag 3.
-0.60.
Guys, still clear what is the meaning of lag 1, lag 2, lag 3? Okay. I'm just writing an example 0.63. Okay, what's he said? Guys, lag 1, lag 2 concept clear, yes or no? Okay.
Yes,
This
sir.
number, guys, which I have written, the number which I have written, these are random numbers. I'll convert this number into diagram format. Okay, so don't worry. Next one. Now coming to ACF, PACF. Again, April with March. How many months backward I move?
1.
1. So can we call lag 1?
Yes.
If I compare April with March, how many months backward? Sorry, April with Feb.
2.
How many months? 2. So we call this as lag 2. So here, guys, what happened? The interaction month means the middle month. March month will not contribute any impact. So here I'm getting a 0.80. Okay. Got the difference between ACF and PACF? ACF works for intercorrelation and PACF works for direct relation. Still clear? Guys, I have not teach you how it's solved for you. I am just teaching you the concept now. So guys, basically what happened over here? The value, there will be interaction effect in March. Sorry, in your ACF. But in PACF, we will have a direct relation. Interaction concept is not there over here. Still clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I just say you one difference. Okay. There are 3 more points. The number which we are getting, guys, I'm converting this number into the format of analysis in terms of diagram. Okay. If the diagram go bouncer or nothing not able to understand, guys, just inform me, I'll repeat for you. Diagram is very important. What is the notation for ACF?
Q.
Notation for PACF?
P.
P. Okay. Let me draw a diagram. Range of correlation. Yes, what is the range of correlation?
-1. -1 to +1.
-1 to +1. So here this is upper limit and lower limit. Okay. Now remember we have done lag 3, lag 1, lag 2, lag 3. Same way, guys, the lag is nothing but we call as a bar. A single bar is called lag 1. Here I draw second bar. What we call this as lag 2. If I draw this bar, what is the lag number, guys?
Lag 3.
lag 3. तो ये जो bars है ना, ये bar जो है वो है lag value. For example, here the value for us is 0.9. Here the value is 0.8. Like this way we have drawn, okay? Able to understand or should I repeat? Now guys, how many bar I have drawn in ACF? These are called as bar, and also bar 1 of lag 1. Clear? So we have 6 bars, which is nothing but 6 lags. Okay. Either we call as a bar or we call 6 lags. The meaning is same. Okay. So here we have, you should also have 6. Now there is some rule to read this bar, guys. Okay. Let me share the rule screen for you. What is the rule, guys? Rule number 1. Count only continuous number of bar. So you have to count only which are in continuous order, starting from bar 1 and so on, which crosses either upper or lower limit. So you have to count only that bar which are crossing upper and lower. Okay. Now, if you look at this, can I say bar 1 crosses upper limit? Bar 2 crosses, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Bar 3 is crossing.
No.
How many bar are continuous crossing?
2.
So what is the value for ACF? The ACF value will become 2. Now, how many bars are crossing in PACF?
3.
First bar is 3. Okay, so answer will come as 3. Can I say all 3 are continuous one by one?
Yes.
It's logic clear how to read. I'll repeat again. Okay. Okay. Now you can say first bar crossing in ACF. The second bar crossing in ACF.
No.
So we will stop. How many we have done? 1. So we'll stop at 2 because only one bar is crossing. Now come to PACF. Bar 1 is crossing. Guys, either say yes or no. Bar 2 is crossing.
Yes.
Bar 3 is crossing. No. So we'll stop at 2. Got the point how to read? Okay.
Yes.
Let me draw again. In ACF, guys, what is the value for ACF?
3.
3. How do you find 3?
3 bar passing to upper limit or lower limit.
And they are also continuous, one by one. Okay.
Continuous.
Perfect. In PACF?
2.
2. Perfect. Got the point, guys, how to read ACF plot and PACF plot?
सर
हाँ बोलिए. Yes, Rishik.
एसीएफ में एक ही बार कर रहे हैं.
किसमें?
PSCF में
एक बार है, 2 बार है, किसी सेकंड बार ऑल्सो ना?
सेकंड बार सर नीचे वाला लाइन को नहीं ना क्रॉस कर रहा। हाँ अभी कर रहा है सर।
सेंटर लाइन है, 0 मीन्स
हाँ हाँ
you have to read upper and lower limit
अपर एंड लो ओके।
because that is the definition of rule number 1 ना.
हाँ सर
Count only those number of bars which are crossing.
हाँ
Clear guys?
यस
Anybody want me to repeat this? Okay, I increase the level. Guys, what is the value for PSCF?
4. Hello.
Hello.
ये स्कूटर रस्त्यावर आहे का?
हॅलो
क्लासला आला नाही तू?
टेम्पो चालवतोय तो टेम्पो.
हॅलो
चालत आहे का? वा मजे
Hello.
ऑनलाईन काय करतोय आज?
हॅलो हॅलो
काय चाललंय क्लास
Hello. Hello. Hello.
हॅलो हॅलो हॅलो
हॅलो
Hello.
हॅलो.
हॅलो हॅलो
नाश्ता
उमेश
झालाय का सगळ्यांचं?
ब्रेक दिलाय खाली चला.
नाश्ता झालाय का सगळ्यांचं?
हॅलो उमेश
हॅलो रुपाली.
हॅलो नीरज
Umesh.
ओ माय गॉड भूमेश.
हा भाई.
हॅलो तेजस
या माझ्या फ्लॅटवर
हेलो.
पोहे.
रेकॉर्ड होते ना हे?
राम राम.
अरे सर आले.
नीरज को बहुत डर है रिकॉर्ड.
Sir,
सर आले. नाईस.
Let's start, guys. Okay. Now, if you read the second rule, guys, anyone, just read the second rule. So if P takes 0 or Q takes 0, if sign pattern occurs, okay. So this indicates we required a sign pattern. Okay. Now looking at this one, Let me draw one second. Can I call this a sine shape?
Yes, sir.
So what should be the value for Q? As per the rule, what should be the value for Q?
0.
0. Till you clear? The sign pattern occur in ACF or PACF. So the by default value should be taken as 0. Till you clear? Any question, please ask. So can I say we are done with step number 3 and step number 4?
सर ये साइन शेप कब देखने है?
अगर पैटर्न साइन होगा तो 0 वैल्यू.
अच्छा, वो बार्स काउंट नहीं करने हैं फिर?
तो बार काउंट नहीं करने ना, एज पर द रूल नंबर 2.
हाँ.
Clear? So how many points we have in ARIMA, guys? How many points you have written in the ARIMA?
5.
So we're done with the first point, stationary. We're done with differencing also. We're done with ACF also and PACF also. Now, as per this, the value for D is 1, which we have found in example. Remember? So what should be the step number 5, guys? What should be the answer? What is the P value?
4.
D value?
1.
1.
P value?
0.
0.
Done with the model. That's become your 410. Perfect. This concept layer point 1 to 5.
Yes, sir.
Easy or difficult? The concept of ACF, PACF, differentiating stationary, easy or difficult?
Very easy.
Guys, easy है या difficult है?
Sir, easy है.
I took 6 months in college to understand it. Okay. A college teacher takes 6 months.
सर इसमें सिर्फ साइन वैल्यू ही बनता है क्या, कॉस वगैरह नहीं?
नहीं, सिर्फ साइन वैल्यू, बाकी और कुछ नहीं. आइदर बार रीड होगा या फिर साइन होगा, दोनों में से कोई एक. Okay. So you found easy, you understand in 2 hours or 1 hour. In my academic, when I was a student, my college teachers, it's approximate 6 months. So 1 semester, 1 paper. Okay, changing to Python code, guys. Let's have a flow chart. Okay. And number 1, first we import data, which is your air passenger data. Okay. And then we make a plot. Okay. I'm just repeating from the scratch, guys. So looking at this, tell me it is stationary or non-stationary?
Non-stationary.
Non-stationary. I'll explain, Gauri. 1 second. Okay. Next, after getting non-stationary, we confirm with the help of ADF. So DF is the data. Okay. This is value. So answer to your question, Gauri, the ARIMA model used in every scenario. It is used when we have a trend. It is used when we have seasonal. It is used when we have cyclical. It is used when we have random. So it is used in all scenarios. Clear? Next, df dot values. Compute ADF, Dickfuller test, and getting output in DF test. From the output, I just need only 4 points, which is test statistics, p-value, and number of observation used. What is the p-value, guys, over here? What is the p-value?
0.99.
How much is the alpha value we take?
0.05.
So p-value is less than alpha or greater than alpha?
Greater.
So we say we do not reject S0. If you are not rejecting S0, then data is non-stationary. If data is non-stationary, guys, what we do?
Difference step.
We do differentiate. Perfect. So df dot values do difference. Assign in diff1. Let me make a plot. This plot, to look at, and if you look at this plot, look like close to similar.
Yes.
Yes.
Then we do difference of normal, okay, and then create to second order difference. Okay. We do a normal difference or we do second order difference. After doing second order difference, we compute the variance for each and every column. How much is the original variance in the data, guys?
14,291.
After differencing one, what is the value?
1131.
What is the difference in two value?
2957.49.
Which is the smallest one?
1131.
What is the value of D now?
1.
Clear, guys, how we find the value of D? Now next, after finding the value of D, so our job is to confirm also whether it is really stationary or not. So we get first order. So just for confirmation, again we do ADF. Okay. So in DF, go to the column called differencing one. LOC start from the first row till all rows. Apply Dickfuller and give me that statistics, p-value, and so on. Now, can I say my p-value is equal to alpha?
Yes.
So we reject
H0.
H0. And we say data is stationary. Once your data is stationary, guys, you can move forward with ACF and PACF. If your data is non-stationary, you cannot apply time series. You cannot apply a ARIMA model. Clear? Next. How many rules we have for this ACF and PCF? How many rules we have?
2.
Just read these two rules will help us to read the diagram. Just read one time. Okay. Just make a pair subplot. PLT means matplotlib. I want to make a subplot. 2 rows, 1 column. Means on one page, 2 plots. You can see 1 page, 2 plots. Figure size 18 by 10. Plot ACF is the function for DF value. ESF is the function for DF value. Here I've taken lag 160 means backward. Looking at ACF, guys, tell me which pattern we have.
Sine.
Sine. If the sine pattern occurs, what is the value for ACF?
0.
0.
Now second one, looking at PACF. Guys, upper limit, lower limit means you have this line. Let me copy paste.
2.
1 second. This is your upper limit. Okay. And this is your lower limit. Okay. How many bar?
2.
2. Clear? Can we have 3?
No.
Oh, perfect. This is your PACF value. How to read? So what is the order we get? What is the order we found, guys?
Two one zero.
210.
So this is just order sequence 210. It's easy to read PDQ. Now, guys, what I have done instead of reading manual, okay, this the way I teach you, it's a manual way of working. Repeating the way I teach you, it's a manual way to read ACF, PACF, and we can say that differencing one. Remember grid search, guys? Rupali, we don't define upper and lower limit. Upper and lower limit is it's based on the formulas. If you want, I'll give you the formulas also. ACF. Okay. This is the formula for ACF. The formula is 1 upon square root of n. Remember that. But let me search and give you the exact one. The formula you can write square root of n for the range of upper and lower. I'll give you the formula. I remember the exact formula is 1 upon square root of n. Now, guys, I'm asking you, do you remember grid search? What is the use of grid search, guys? What is the use of
To
grid
search
sum?
best combination.
So means apply combination and search for the best one, correct?
Model.
So here what I'm trying to do, df dot value is my data. ACF I've taken as P, which take value minimum 0 and go up to 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So how many value PACF will have? So okay. Now we said D for difference. Take value 0, 1, and D will have 3 numbers. Same for we have ACF. ACF will start with 0, will go up to 3. This combination clear? Here guys, we have monthly data. That's the reason frequency is 12. I'm repeating. Here I have monthly data. That's the reason the frequency is 12. Guys, if I have quarterly data, what should be the frequency? What is the value of M?
4.
4. If I have weekly data, then how many weeks we have in a year? Number of weeks. Perfect. Now they should have 52. Okay, the M12 means here we are working on monthly data. Seasonal false means this has to be false for me. So do ADF test and track the output. Let me run this. Okay. If you do not write this is also fine, guys. Okay. Here I have written for my safety. Let me see, guys, it's applying all the combinations. Okay. So guys, it try all the combination and select the best combination. What is the best combination in our case? A combination with
201.
lowest AIC value. You can see over here. AC is also very small. The 201 is the best model for us. Now using this ICM model, predict in sample. Sample means given data. And in the DF, assign the forecast value. So when actual value is 112, how much we forecasted? Oh, I have not imported the package. So when actual value is 112, guys, so how much is the forecast value for the first row?
282.
When actual is 118, how much you forecasted?
118.
How we calculate error, guys? What is the formula for the error? I teach you on pen paper. is y minus y cap. Perfect, Uma. So now what I'm trying to do, I'm just making a plot of my actual data and my forecast value. Can I say, guys, they are overlapping? So blue color are my actual data, green color are my forecast value.
सर यहाँ फर्स्ट इतना अलग क्यों है 280 और
Have an initial forecast, है ना? He has taken the sum of the numbers. Initial forecast is okay. First, we don't care about the first row, we care about the future prediction. If for training data prediction is correct, then future will also be correct. Only for one row it's coming different, but if you see the remaining rows, they're coming close to each other.
yes
Next, we need to do first we check the accuracy of the model. To check the accuracy of the model, how many methods we have over here in time series? Yesterday I have used the method MAPE value
RMSE.
and RMSE. Correct. Now to calculate RMSE, first we compute error. So basically, guys, I'm just computing over here as your MAPE value. And if you can see the MAPE value, how much I'm getting, guys?
9.5.
Less than 10.
Yes.
So we can say that the model is good fit on training data. I'll repeat over here. We'll say that the model is good fit on training data. Now future prediction. Okay. Model predict for number of months. How many months? 36 period. So this FC value will give the prediction for the forward 36 months. Clear? Now what I'm doing, if the FC is your forecast value, I take my length of the normal data plus I added my 36 months data and make something known as index of FC. Now this FC value which I have taken, I convert it to series and assign FC series. Your original data, your forecasted data. Look at this. Can you see they're following the same diagram? Did it follow the same diagram? The green color line. Yes or no? Is the green color line following the same line of blue color? That is my question.
No, sir.
So they are not in a similar line. Okay. So here we need to change the values also, PACF value. Error is less, but the prediction, the future prediction not accurate. Okay. So these are your future forecast value. So guys, till you're clear, any question? That I'll teach you how to modify and make the accuracy, make the future prediction accurate. That is remaining. Till now, I just have to make the plot of my forecast value. I'll teach you how to modify. Any questions so far? How to read ACF, PACF? How this grid search is working for you? If no doubt, then take a break. Okay. After break, we'll continue how to modify time series and get the better answer. Okay.
सर
Yes, Pradiksha.
सर हमें m इज इक्वल टू 12 लिया, मंथ वाइज डेटा था. अगर हमारा डे वाइज डेटा होगा तो क्या लेने?
365.
365 मतलब पूरे ईयर्स के लिए ही लेने का ना?
Correct.
हाँ ओके सर. ओके सर.
Okay, guys. Any question, guys? If no question, session take a break. 10-15 minutes. After break, we'll continue. Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Hi.
आपण सगळे कुठेतरी फिरायला जाऊ.
चला.
रेकॉर्डिंग ऑन आहे, सगळं रेकॉर्ड राहील मस्तपैकी.
ना मग ट्रेकिंगचा प्लॅन करतो आपण.
मराठी कसलं सांगा एक टूर काढायला.
हो सांगूयात. मेसेज मध्ये नका बोलू.
शब्दाचा
ज्यांना आवाज युट्यूबला आणायचा आहे त्यांनी बोला.
लाईक, शेअर, सबस्क्राईब.
Guys, let me write something and later you can write, okay? Guys, shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let me write something and later you can write, okay? Guys, write this one. Guys, write this one. Guys, done everyone? Okay. So guys, what we have a scenario over here. So when we work on ARIMA, ARIMA works with two things, with seasonal and without seasonal. Okay. So basically you can say like this way, this point, okay, where I'm writing doing a yellow color, this is without seasonal, small letter. And this one is with seasonal. Okay. So that's the reason is bifurcation. You can see this is without seasonal. This one is with seasonal. Clear? So here, if you compare this point and this point are same because they are small PDQ. So small PDQ is without seasonal, capital PDQ is with seasonal. Okay. There's a model called Serimax, guys. You do not have in your syllabus, but it is important. We use in office. That's the reason I'm teaching you. It will be okay for everyone if I teach out of the syllabus.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now the changes happens over in the code only. Same thing, df dot values. The range of P will be taken 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. D will take 0, 1, 2. Q will take 0, 1, 2, 3. And M12 means we have monthly.
Sir, screen share me.
Sorry. The code which I have written above, I just copy pasted same thing. So the P value is 0, 1, 2, 3. D value is 0, 1, 2. Q value is 0, 1, 2, 3. Means play with combination MS12. Why guys I have taken MS12?
Monthly है sir.
Perfect. Because the data is monthly. That's the reason we have taken MS12. Now here I specify seasonal as true. Means there is some seasonality. Seasonality means, guys, can I say my data is moving with seasonal pattern? Every time there is a peak happens. Agree? Now to tackle this seasonality, guys, what happened whenever you have a seasonality, your normal ARIMA model fail. That's the reason our forecast value is going in a downward direction. Okay. Clear? Now to tackle this, okay, to tackle this, which is going in the wrong direction because we have a seasonal pattern. Can you see, guys, the data is keep on increasing, a very clear upward trend. Let me copy and paste and show you. Can you see it's keep on giving a very straight line? Plus, if you see, there is a seasonal repetition over here. Every time there is a peak over here. And the seasonal value is also increasing. As I mentioned prior in the class, there are two types of seasonal, additive and multiplicative. As the seasonal value keep on increasing and increasing, that is called multiplicative seasonal. So here we just have to specify seasonal as true, nothing else. And then capital P value will taken as capital P will take value 0, 1, 2. Okay. And capital D will take value as, what is the range? 0, 1. Capital Q will take value 0, 1, 2. Do ADF test and also trace the output. Okay. Now what happened? It will play with the different combinations. It will take some time, guys, because it's a grid search, a lengthy one. Okay. So the best combination model is 2002 and 202. Using this model, which is the name I have kept as model. PM is AutoArima function. So PM is the package which take function AutoArima. AutoArima function apply grid search for you. Predict in sample data. It will give you forecast value for the given data. And I have used ilog to select specific number of columns. Only data, value, and forecast. Then I make the plot of my data and forecast. I say, guys, they are overlapping now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I check the MAP value. How much is the MAP now? How much is the MAP value?
4.11.
Okay. So let me write 1 second. Huh? Without seasonal is 9.55. With seasonal 4.55. 4.11, sorry. Okay. Now tell me, guys, which have the lowest variance?
With seasonal.
With seasonal. Also, now I'm doing a forecast. S model forecast for the next 36 months. Okay. So this 36 months will give you all the forecast value. Let me show you. So we have forecast for 36 values. Now this value I will be using to make the index series wise. This is the index number 141, 144, and so on. Converting into series and making a plot. Now, can I say my prediction, which is green color, moving as per the data, guys?
Yes, sir.
No. This is with seasonal plot. This is without seasonal. Which is better, guys? With or without? Which is following the pattern? With seasonal. Got the point, guys? So this is the best answer to readable. Any question, any doubt you have, can say please.
सर वो नीचे क्यों जा रहा है फोरकास्ट हमारा?
Because ये डेटा में ना seasonality है, and normal Arima don't know how to handle seasonal.
अच्छा.
ठीक है? This is normal Arima.
हाँ.
Arima is without seasonal. अगर इसमें seasonal हो जाएगा तो हम लिखते हैं Arima only. Okay? आगे S ऐड करेंगे. S stand for seasonal.
Seasonal.
Max means cross check the seasonal value present or not. Maximize it. So that is called Serimax. It is Arima only, but Arima with seasonal. So one is Arima without seasonal, one is Arima with seasonal. So when we use with seasonal, we call Serimax.
Okay, sir.
Yes, any question can ask, guys.
सर हमको डायरेक्टली पता चलता है सीजनल है या नॉर्मल है वैसा, या पहले नॉर्मल परफॉर्म करना पड़ता है?
आपको यहाँ से देख के पता नहीं चलेगा ये सीजनल है या नहीं?
हाँ, ट्रेंड से पता चलेगा सर.
हो गया. So can I say the plot play a very important role? Which method should I select?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Second point, when you go for interview, guys, people will expect from you exponential smoothing and then ARIMA. Question comes, if you know ARIMA, why should I use exponential? Exponential is easy to solve, easy to write, easy to explain. ARIMA required a very clear knowledge, a very clear, clear, difficult to explain. ARIMA handle everything, seasonal, base seasonal, trend, random, but exponential handles specific pattern. Clear? So the bifurcation you have to make sure ready for you. Bifurcation means distinguish between. So ARIMA handle everything. Clear?
सर इसका लिमिटेशन है क्या कुछ ARIMA का?
ARIMA have no limitations.
हाँ सर
There are no limitation made by the researcher, okay, not by the creator. Okay, researcher suggested if the variance is not similar, it's not constant, you have outlier, okay, that time ARIMA model fail. So you have to treat outliers also.
और सर number of rows ज्यादा होगी तो?
If the rows are more, the answer is very good. If the rows are less, answer become sometime not applicable also. If your number of rows are less than 24, you are not allowed.
अच्छा.
So for less row, there is a condition. For more row, it's better to have. There's any question?
सर मैप वैल्यू अगर 10 के ऊपर आए तो
The model is wrong.
तो उसको कुछ जैसे पहले हम मूविंग एवरेज चेंज करते थे वैसे इसमें कुछ नहीं कर सकते?
यहाँ पे आपको सीक्वेंस चेंज करना होगा, कॉम्बिनेशन का. Means you have to change this auto ARIMA में. You can change over here the number instead of 0 to 3, give 0 to 4, 0 to 5, and cross check like this way.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Then I'll be sharing a good file for you to write. Okay. Because we have 45 minutes. And just one update for you guys. Tomorrow there will be a class assessment, okay? I'll not take a session, I'll take a class assessment, which is your basic KNN PCA. It will be okay?
नहीं सर एक दिन रिवीजन चाहिए थी उसकी.
मतलब मेरे You the revision? I'm asking you.
हाँ सर.
Revision of which topic?
KNN, PCA, clustering.
Okay, tomorrow we'll do revision.
Yes, sir.
सर वो गॉसियन और मल्टीनोमिनल का कोड नहीं दिया है ना आपने?
नहीं, मैंने कोड नहीं दिया है उसका, मैंने आपको उसका एक्सेल फाइल दिया है गॉसियन का.
एक्सेल फाइल से ड्राइव पे नहीं है, वहाँ पे सिर्फ यही है. न्यू बर्नलिस का है.
Let me cross check. If not, then upload now only. You're asking about naive base, na? Okay. Uploaded.
इसमें मल्टीनोमिनल का है या गॉसियन का है सर?
मल्टीनोमिनल का सॉल्यूशन सेम रहेगा सर, सिर्फ वहां पे 3 लेवल्स होंगे. बर्नौली में 2 लेवल्स होते हैं, मल्टी में 3 लेवल्स. Here you can see the tab of Gaussian. And this is the tab of Bernoulli.
लेकिन सर हमने जो बर्नौलीज लिया था उसमें हमने कोड में ऐसा दिखाया था कि 70% के ऊपर होंगे तो उसको हम एक कैटेगरी देंगे क्लास, और उसके नीचे होंगे तो उसको दूसरा क्लास देंगे. अगर मल्टी क्लास होंगे तो उसको कैसे करेंगे हम?
Divide probability into 3 parts. 02.33, 33266, 66299.
अच्छा, उसके लिए कुछ थ्रेशोल्ड नहीं सर? हम
उसके लिए थ्रेशोल्ड नहीं होता है.
ओके सर.
When more than 2 levels, there is no threshold concept exists.
ओके.
Guys, write this topic. Full form is artificial neural network. 1 second. Let me share. Write this one. These are the definition for each and every point, guys. Okay. Write this one. Topic name, you can write deep learning. I'm repeating. You can write topic name, deep learning, and you can write this.
Sir,
Yes, Pratiksha.
sir, share me a JavaScript file for movie recommendation.
Thank you for reminder. I'm doing that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Pratiksha, I've uploaded on the drive only a name called Flask project. Okay. From there you can find it. I have not done in Java, I've done in HTML only.
Okay, sir.
This is second last, guys.
Hello.
Sorry guys, it was loading. Guys, done this one? We'll stop now.
Sir.
Umar, this 2 days lecture will be online because I'm not. Okay. I'm
Okay.
repeating because I'm not in Pune. I came to the hospital in Mumbai. So that's the reason yesterday I leave very faster.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Because don't worry, this topic which I have, that's the reason what I'm trying to do. For 2 days, I'm keeping a class assessment which will be online. So the new topic will not start for you. Okay. So I come on Monday, Tuesday to the session. Okay. That time I will teach you which you are writing it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I thought this should be better, and your concept will be there on track, and nobody will have difficulties in future.
Hello.
Yes, please. Yes. Anyone have any doubts?
हेलो सर, वो पॉलिनोमियल रिग्रेशन का कोड भेज सकते हैं क्या आप?
हाँ ठीक है, I'll send you.
इससे व्हाट्सएप पे आपको टेक्स्ट कर देता हूँ.
I'll upload on Drive only.
ओके सर, चलेगा.
So सबके लिए वैलिड हो जाएगा ना?
ओके चलेगा. थैंक यू.
हेलो सर.
यस सर.
काई स्क्वायर यूज करके फीचर सिलेक्शन किया तो इंपॉर्टेंट फीचर्स आ गए, तो उसमें से हमें कितने चूज करने होंगे?
हाँ, आपके वेरिएबल्स कितने थे और कितने आए ये बताओ. How many variables you have in your data and how many variable you have chosen?
Uh, 68 थे सर, अभी आ गए 44.
44. Okay, using that 44, apply variable select, apply variable clustering. आपने वेरिएबल ग्रुपिंग नहीं किया.
हाँ ठीक है.
वेरिएबल ग्रुपिंग करने के बाद आपको काई स्क्वायर अप्लाई करना है. आपने
है
पहले
सर.
कर दिया तो भी चलेगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. अब वो जो 44 है ना, उसके अंदर आप अप्लाई करोगे वेरिएबल ग्रुपिंग. वेरिएबल क्लस्टर करके कॉन्सेप्ट होता है. आप सर्च करोगे आपको इजीली मिल जाएगा वेरिएबल क्लस्टरिंग.
ओके.
हाँ
हाँ चलेगा. ठीक है सर.
सर.
यस
सर, आपने जो फाइल सेंड की है उसमें जावास्क्रिप्ट का कोड नहीं है ना?
हाँ, उसमें जावा HTML है.
सिर्फ HTML है. ओके.
हाँ.
तो सर वो कंप्लीट है, सिर्फ जावास्क्रिप्ट ही लास्ट का बाकी.
ओके.
हाँ. और सर वो आपने विथ सीजनल का कोड अपलोड किया है?
हाँ, उसी फाइल में है.
सर.
यस.
तो सिंगल एक्सपोनेंशियल स्मूथिंग में मैंने वो क्रिप्टो का डाटा डाला था. तो उसमें डाटा बहुत है तो ट्रेंड ही नहीं दिखा रहा.
सिंगल एक्सपोनेंशियल सॉल्व नहीं होगा. यू हैव टू यूज अरिमा.
अरिमा. ठीक है.
सिंगल से सॉल्व भी नहीं होगा वो.
हाँ वही. तो उसमें से डेटा कम कर सकते हैं क्या? कम
नहीं, डेटा कम नहीं करना है आपको.
हाँ, आर्यमा यूज करो डायरेक्टली.
हाँ
ठीक है सर.
सर तो कल क्लास टेस्ट है क्या?
हाँ, कल I'll try to give a class test, but some people are asking for revision. Mostly make sure everyone prepare for the class test only.
कौन सा टॉपिक?
It is based on PCA and your naive base, KNN, SPM.
सर क्लास असेसमेंट ऑनलाइन होगा?
हाँ.
ओके सर. सो टुमारो नहीं ना फिर सर?
So my suggestion we should give tomorrow. If you are saying no, I'll keep on day after tomorrow.
ओके सर. फिर टुमारो सर हमारा क्लास ऑफलाइन होगा क्या ऑनलाइन?
Yeah, it will be online because I am not in a Pune. I'm in Mumbai in a hospital only.
Okay sir. Okay.
That's the reason I'm keeping online. Otherwise, I'll keep offline only.
Okay sir.
Thank you, everyone.